I feel run no, skip no, praise the Lord. Hey, hallelujah. Cause what He have done for we, He have set our spirit free. Rough. Boy. What a rough look. It's very rough. Well. Bless him. All is well. Right. It's strolling. Welcome everyone to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, welcome. It's nothing but love and love alone. Now remember, we're keeping it positive over here. You know, because this place, I'm telling you the truth, it's so nice. You know, it's so nice. I'm telling you the nature vibe, that's the nature, just this, the view, the anxiety of here, you know. It is so nice here. Just look at it. You wake up, you can come by the beach front, you know, you can come by the front, you can...
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love to all, Dream Team One Team. You know, if you haven't liked yet, remember, first entry of the video, put the thumbs up, guys. You know how it goes. You know, that's how we roll. You know, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know, and watch till the end. You will see what happened, you know. So blessed love to all. We are at a location near you, you know, so stay tuned. You know, you're gonna know, because I say anywhere the sun shines, that's where we're gonna go. You know, the sun shines and lead us to this location right next to you. Right, so stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. I'm here with no other than
Alright guys, my name is Dee Mwango from Kenya, Mama Africa, and welcome to Jamaica, the land that we all love. So we are here today. It's a good day, and be sure to subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment, let us know what you think about today's video, and welcome to today's video, and keep watching Wagwan. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Road to 500,000 and thank you for the love and support as well, Team Kino. I really appreciate you guys. Big up yourself, everybody.
Yeah, so big up. And remember, smash the like button when you're watching. Smash the like button. So thank you everyone that's coming from Team D. Welcome over to Kino Life in Jamaica. We thank you so much for being here. You know, it's a blessing, and remember, let's grow together. I'm on the road to 50. Now I'm walking to 40, and then we're going to run to 50. You know, so thank you guys so much, everyone that's come and support me from Team D.
That is it.
You know, she not a Rasta color today, you know, you think, because she finally find the Rasta man. She finally find the Rasta man. D. She finally find the Rasta man. Hey, she finally find the Rasta man.
I wanna run.
I feel like running, skipping. Praise the Lord. I feel run no, skip no, praise the Lord. Hey, hallelujah. Cause what He have done for we, He have set our spirit free. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, smash the like button and stay tuned. We're at a parish near you, so let's watch. We're gonna knock the door. Knock. Welcome. Well. Well. Blessed. All is well. Right at your doorsteps.
Yeah, right on my foot.
I imagine right is the only place we have jelly. Because we say we want to get some jelly.
Yeah.
So pass the 2 spots them down there and they close.
A jelly.
Nothing.
And come here as a jelly.
Yeah. I'll come right to the... Yeah.
I tell you something, you see tree is a vital thing for everybody, you know.
Yeah.
Because first, second and third, Father God, the Son and the Holy Spirit is vital for people.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget that. So you have to know that though, you know. Don't make people tell everything. You think it is very important for you.
Thank you so much. More strength. All right.
Well, I tell you something too. You know, me personally, you know, for me, so like you going up to 70. 7 you me get like you.
Yeah.
Same boy pick me. Boys, you know.
Boys, no girls.
Yeah, me get girls stay, but just same boy.
Yeah.
You see, boy, yeah. You see, boys, in the world, from down there to come up till now, boys is exceptional because what we have to give it to you. Ribs.
Yeah.
Take care, right?
Yeah, man. Big up, man. So we're here for D to get our jelly. You know. I never know.
Jelly.
Send me.
Do I have some sons? My skill baller.
Yeah, ball too. Like myself, yeah.
Right. How much for all of this?
A whole bunch. St. Thomas, this is a jelly of 250.
Ay, no. St. Thomas jelly is 100. No.
That's how we end up on the farm.
Oh. Yes, guys. So we're here, you know, St. Thomas. Yeah, so look at this wonderful view. You know, I like to show you like the view. You know, I like to show you the view while we stop here for D to get some jelly. Look at the view by the seawater. Look at that. You know me already. You know, say I'm going down there. Ah. Look, guys, look. You know I have to give you a view. You know I cannot come down here and not go on a view. You know that is true. Rough. Boy. Water rough, look. It's very rough. It's very lovely. Down here by the seaside. Look at it. How beautiful is Jamaica? How beautiful is Jamaica, man? Oh damn. Look. Because we know most of you know, because our number one viewers is from the USA. I mean, right now in the USA it's very cold, and Canada, I know those places are cold, and the UK, people screaming right now for the weather is too cold. So when it's too cold, I have to give you some of this tropical beauty, you know, the tropical beauty. Wow. Wow. Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Literally the water splash all the way up here, so the water is literally splashing all the way up. Look at this, man. You there? St. Thomas today. These rocks are rock are firm. There.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
There, man. Enjoying the breeze. This seat is so comfortable. The breeze. Oh Lord. Now I be like Jamaica.
Like some place, some people that say nowhere nice like yard.
Nowhere.
Nice like yard.
Me love Jamaica. Me not to love.
Wow.
Chilling in your yard with a glass of lemonade, roasting breadfruit and banana.
Drinking jelly water.
And drinking jelly water. Now I be like Jamaica. Jamaica love. I wanna feel Jamaica love. Already felt Jamaican love. Each and every day it's getting intense.
Like, nice.
That's them coconut.
Yeah. Where they come from? Where they from? So now we're in St. Thomas, right?
Yeah man, St. Thomas, Rustle this. St. Thomas, Rustle.
So right on the main whenever them driving past,
yeah man,
you can look for this spot. Rustle. Yeah. Not far. Yeah, so you will see the shop. Just remember this location coming from that direction, from Kingston, you're coming from that direction, from the opposite. See there? This shop with the lion face. Once you see the lion face, you can't miss Timon. So this is Pumba. So that is it here in St. Thomas.
See? You can actually see. You can have breadfruit tree.
Yes.
Tell you
Let me get another one, please. Let me get the mint, then another one.
Just get make sure you get the plastic wrap. So the printed wrap.
For the bread.
Wrap it. Get all a small sucker, like all this length, and wrap it. Wrap it to the plastic wrap with the dirt and everything. I nice suitcase I'm
bringing it down.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If I'm here, I have to come carry it, man.
Yeah.
Very rich, I want to have it.
Jamaica nice.
Best place in the world.
Sure.
Best place in the world. But people don't know. You know? Wow.
Mattress.
The mattress, the man a travel.
I won't have people when I won't still not like to buy it.
Just. Shut this one, please.
Still have a same way.
Keep hydrated. Get the electrolytes up.
So good.
Up.
Fruits.
Fruits.
Hydrate.
Alright.
Not jelly. Fruits. Any fruit.
Yeah.
But so this is the main thing.
Yeah.
With the hydration, with the electrolytes.
Yeah.
This is the number one thing.
Right.
Without drip, and you drink this. Or if you go and you string up yourself with this like a drip.
Feed your body.
Feed your body. With just this alone.
Yeah, man.
This make you put on weight and everything. You know? Yeah, man.
I know say it alone me use. Trust me.
Alright, so let me try to tell
I
you.
hear one now, you see? This a man me no eat certain things alone, coconut me have to use.
Alright.
I give me food taste, cause me no eat no.
Yeah, just like
Live.
yeah.
See? Stay alive. We left on the man up there.
Yeah, yeah.
Love me eat
The right thing. The right thing, not the jelly is one of the best things what doctor will recommend. If you go doctor and you're dehydrated, you know, and them give a drip, and I'm gonna tell us to feed on electrolytes, feed on jelly, you know, to get back your body up and running. Back in the days that them use, you know, string up your own self with it, you know, you just rehydrate back up and you're gone, you're good to go.
Holy for meat. For high sperm count. True, Kino, right?
That's what they said.
No, it's true.
That's what they said. Jelly, very high sperm count, so they have to go and eat for she and the Rasta man.
Eating on his behalf.
Yeah, eating on his behalf. Big up here.
Every time.
Much respect and thank you so much for watching. You know, how come Russell? You will definitely watch yourself now on your TV. Yeah, that is it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright.
So I'm leaving you guys with a last look at the view on our way. We're in St. Thomas now. So now you know where we are. St. Thomas. Well, Dream Team, one team, blessed love to all. We're here, and we're here in St. Thomas, and this is our location. So we're here chilling at Mr. Brown's. So this is where Mr. Brown's Guesthouse is. So that's the contact number, you know, if you want to get in contact with Mr. Brown's and everything. So it's really lovely here, very peaceful, very quiet, you know. Just arrived. So one thing I like are the flags. So I don't know which flag is your flag, where you're watching from, just represent for your flag. If you see your flag here, you represent, right? Represent where you come from. So these are all the flags. Represent where you come from. So represent where you're from. So as you can see, look at the yard, very beautiful. So here you got the entrance. Here you got the entrance here. Entering Mr. Brown's. So if you're in St. Thomas looking somewhere to stay, you know, this is nice. Lovely landscaping. The yard is very nice. And as you can see, it's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Check this out, guys. I like the way they do the gardens, you know. It's very nice, it's very lovely. And this is the entrance coming in. Blessings for you. Big mango tree, you know. I see 1 and 2 green mangoes. You know, you have the palm tree, you know. You can drive in. So here you can chill out. You can really chill out here in the night, you know. You got your night lights, as you can see. You got your sitting area there. So it's right next to the, well, the front is at the main, you know. So wait till you see the back. Right, so this is the front entrance coming in, you know. The front is nice, you know, nice little chill spot and everything. So here around here you got the sides, the grass well cut. So you can see this yard is well maintained. As you can see, it is well maintained. AC rooms and everything. So let's take you to it. So it's all is well maintained and it's well nice. Not even line, it's very cool, windy as well too, very windy. So I like the color, the painting of the house, them and everything. So we're going to show you some more inside. And the good thing is a watch out for our program. You know, we have one of the general in the yard as well too. Blessings. Big up. Mr. Brown. Oh, here's the man himself. Yes, so this is Mr. Brown. Yeah, so this is the man himself. So as I said, we'll leave his contact number is there because I really like the place. You know, it's very comfortable, cozy, you know. So this is Mr. Brown himself. Big up yourself, Mr. Brown, you know. And him look after us decently and then tell us that the place is well comfortable, you know.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, for everybody, and the place is well kept, you know, maintained as how it's supposed to, you know. I'm telling you.
Sir.
Clean and tidy.
Clean and tidy, you know, so.
Right, too.
Yeah, one of them man keep the yard maintained, right?
Right.
Let me see you have like a swim thing around the side as well. Do you swim?
Where? Fishing in gears.
Yeah, you dive?
I am son.
Okay, and your son dive? Okay.
Son dive when you're ready. I take a swim.
Yeah. Okay.
You know did that.
So we will be definitely taking a swim. So we're just gonna show them the room, you know, to see what they're getting.
This guy, go set him up for the internet.
Yeah, oh, you already done that already?
You done it?
Yeah, and give me the password and everything. So it's all set up. So I really like the place, you know. So we're gonna make the viewers them know.
So you got the number 2 key?
Yeah.
Okay.
So as I said, I like the number. So when anyone want bookings and everything, you know, they will call. And if there's a link for your website, we can post it as well for people who be running come to booking. Yeah. You deserve it, man. You know, you're a humble man. You know, General, what your name?
Big up yourself, Ricky.
Ricky. So Kino, yeah.
Right.
So Kino. So we're gonna show them what I go on in the place over there here in St. Thomas. You know, yeah.
Do the right.
Yeah, man. I do the right thing, man. All right. So I'm gonna say. So here is the security room. You know, where the security make sure keep everything secure. And look how lovely the yard is. So lovely. Look at the space, you know. D? D, what are you eating? What's that? Mango? Guys, you know D read the mango tree already. D, that's not right. Is that right?
The best.
Oh my day. This looks like a rat just bite it up.
Huh?
Oh D, my mouth burn up. That's not ripe.
So good.
Oh
You have
my
no
day.
idea. This is the best.
Really? D, look, your lip can burn up, you know.
No,
Because
why?
The stain is green. It's not ripe. Look, when
No, it's ripe.
it's not ripe. When it's ripe, it's
You
not.
don't know
like
the
that.
tingle.
I don't know the thing. No, guys, help me please. Since I don't know, teach me to know.
You don't know the tingle. This is the best.
Yes, mango is the best, and it's East Indian as well too. But as you can see, it's not ready yet. It's not even turned. You know,
Look,
that's not turned.
you don't know the tingle. Let me show you. This is the best.
It can burn up your lip, you know.
Ever since I was a small girl,
You eat it
this
like
one
that?
is even more ready. We used to eat the ones that even the shell haven't grown up yet.
Is it? You're really from the village, man.
Real
Country
country.
life,
When
really.
I tell you that, you don't believe it.
Listen.
This is more than, for those who can relate, when you were young, this
Yeah.
one is more than ready. We used to eat it when this one is not yet ready, the shell, you know, when the shell is still too soft and only you see is the white seed.
Yeah.
We used to eat that.
Wow, guys. Yo, I rate you. Trust me. You beat us as Jamaican. We will look past that. Only the turn. You see, in Jamaica, we use the one that turn. We call it turn. And we eat it with the salt. Yeah, but this is nowhere. It's like a rat bite it up. Alright, so here we got raffles. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We got 2 keys. We got 2 room keys here, guys. So we're gonna.
Let's go see Kino's room.
We're gonna help us pick which key. We're gonna pick which room, guys. So help us pick. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let me turn them over
Yeah.
so she don't see the number. Close
The
your
one
eyes.
that I'll choose will be mine.
Close your eyes. Yeah.
You two don't see.
I'm not seeing.
You are seeing.
I'm not looking. Look.
No.
Because I'm placing one there and one there. So D. So guys, choose one for D.
Why you don't want me to choose this?
Wait. Which one do you want to choose?
This.
Alright, go on. What number is that?
Number 9.
Alright. You choose number 9 and me get number 2. In Jamaica, they don't like number 2, you know. They know why. Them say number 2 are the BB boy. So we say, yeah, the B boy. Yeah. So them say that's at number 2. So we don't say 2, they say few. So I got number few. So let's go check out my number few.
The BB boy. Wow, guys, this mango hits different.
But look, Look guys, look at the views. Look at the place. Look at the view. Wow. Well,
Sunset at night.
Guys, I'm gonna show on the view. So that's where the sunset is gonna be coming from. Over there. Wow. Well, at least we got the view. So I think number 9 will be somewhere over there, right?
I told them the yellow.
Yellow one. Match your color. So my color. Hey, my color match me. Look at this. So guys, let's go check out.
Let's go check out Kino's room.
The last time my bathroom we win. Team Kino, the bathroom will win. So I got upstairs view, as you can see. Check out my view.
And whole heap of mangoes next.
A whole heap of mango. By the time we leave here, there's no mango on the tree because of D. So, alright, so it's well grilled up. Number 1. Number
2.
Few. Number few.
Okay, Kino is opening his room. And there we go. Top security.
Moments of truth. Din 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 din.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Maybe I should check this one.
Wow, yeah, I already take so. Yeah, it's simple and nice.
And remember, we are in the countryside.
Yeah, simple and nice, you know.
So that's
Wow.
the bed, the mirror.
Hey.
Wow.
Oh, we have a microwave right here, so.
Another mirror here.
TV there.
Wow.
Sitting
There.
here and there.
When you come in, this is the bathroom. Wow, it's so spacious.
Oh, yeah, the bathroom.
You always
Oh.
get nice bathroom.
Exactly. But guess what again?
No kitchen.
No, that's what I'm saying. Why the microwave is there? No, let me see. What's in here?
No kitchen.
What's this?
That's it.
Wait, no. Oh,
Oh, you have kitchen? Oh, it has a kitchen.
I got my
Actually,
kitchen.
more better.
Yes, guys, I got my kitchen. Hey,
Wow.
yes.
Oh, wow, I think the kitchen is the best because of the view. Look
Yeah.
at the dishes, they look like Kino.
Yeah. I got my stove.
Mine too, because look at the kettle.
Yeah.
We are in the countryside.
I
How will
got
you
2
know?
fridge. Oh, D, look.
Yeah, the view. Wow.
Wow, step outside. Wow, wow.
The balcony view is the
Wow, look at my
best. Wow.
balcony view.
Hey, I think I should take this.
Hey.
All good things belong to me.
You have to see what yours look like first.
Ooh, this is beautiful,
It's
Kino.
beautiful. Yes. So yes, guys. So finally, I'm not looking so bad like the last time. So let's.
This is good, wonderful. You can even work from here, edit your videos from here,
Exactly. The workstation is
and
here.
have the view same way. Wow.
Look at the view. It's
The
nice.
view is beautiful, and there's somebody fishing right there. Is it fishing or boat riding? Yeah, right there.
He's taking up his net.
Oh.
So I think you might catch some fish. So we can go do some catch and cook there with him, D.
Yeah, catch
Okay.
and cook here.
Yeah, so guys, as you can see, yeah, I like it. I got 2 fridge.
So much. This is Kino's room.
Yeah, I got 2 fridge though, so that's good.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I got 2 fridge. Let's go see what the rooms look like. Look like.
It's nice, guys.
It's nice.
Simple and nice.
Well, it's the countryside and the view,
Wow.
nature of the place is really nice. You know, got a closet here. Wow, bathroom is spacious, very spacious. Yes. So we're in St. Thomas, nice and cozy. So guys, so let's go check out the Mwango's room now. Number 9. Let me lock my door. I don't want D come in there, come thief any mangoes.
Yeah, we need to do some fishing.
What? Oh, it's not from inside. You can fish there? Want some fishing? Look at that nice as well. Oh, we got birds over there.
Yeah, what if a bad?
What if a bird? I hope D don't cook none.
I have roast.
A roast. Cause last time I was in Maroon Town, I see you roasting the birds. And I think it's the same bird as well over there. Yes guys, I like it. I like the front yard. It's cool. So let's go check out the Mwango's room.
Let's go see how it looks. Look. Wow.
D, that's not ready. I don't know how you eat that.
Wow.
But you just like those sour stuff. I don't know. Wow. It's lovely, man. Look at that. There's no, yeah, jelly. Oh, jelly pan tree. Guys, look at this. The view. Right at the seafront, the beachfront. We can swim. And they began our exercise work, you know, so they can come over here and run your laps.
Wow. View. You guys, like guys, what do you all think?
So number 9.
Wow.
Where is number 9? Number 9.
Beautiful. So this is where we call it home.
Number 8 here.
Yeah.
You got 7 upstairs. 6.
It has to be down.
There. 9.
Yeah.
See? You get downstairs, I get upstairs. View.
Yeah, it's nice.
9. Moments of truth now. This room number 9. Alright, moments of truth. You ready, guys? Din. Oops. These like to get locked out.
No.
Oh, it's the wrong key.
That's your key.
That's my key. Alright, here's the key. Wait.
Alright.
Wow.
This is my room, guys. As you come in, we have this working table right here. We have whole heap of bed.
Look good.
We have the AC right there. We have another couch here. We have a small wardrobe right here, but very enough. We still have the fan. We have the TV.
Hey, looks good. Big bed. Your bed bigger than mine.
Whole heap of bed.
You're gonna last in this bed.
Yeah. Then the bathroom.
You see the bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom still looks so good, Kino. Look, we have the mirror, the sink, so clean, the toilet.
Where's the lights? The lights.
And there we go.
Okay.
So clean.
Okay.
I love it. We have the towel here. Wow, simple and beautiful. Remember, we are in the countryside and we have this window. I love it. You know?
I can't come already. Okay, D. Guys, I think D.
Then welcome to the kitchen.
Let me see your kitchen.
Thomas vibes. My pots look better.
This pot looks like it's coming from the countryside, from the village. A lot of stick fire.
Cooking with firewood.
We
have the microwave, we have the fridge.
You got 1 fridge, I got 2.
I don't need so much fridge.
You know, at
We
least
have the cooker right here with the kettle, countryside kettle.
At least my kitchen is
But
much
still
bigger.
it's nice. Yeah.
You got balcony as well?
Let's see.
Hey.
Whoa, but the view is not like you.
Oh, sorry guys, look at the view.
The view, green, still it's beautiful.
Look at
See?
our views
Chilling
looking.
under the, you know.
She's looking in the walls.
But it's beautiful still.
Ooh, yes. It's beautiful because listen, she's looking on the walls. I'm looking on the ocean. I got the ocean view.
That's hard. I can always step out. Alright,
bad.
guys, that's how it looks. This is the balcony area. It's beautiful.
But one
I
thing,
like it.
you got no working
desk.
No desk out here, no chair.
But I can bring it because we have a socket right here, so not badly off.
Okay, so you're good.
Yeah.
It's not bad, guys. So, alright, guys. So you can tell me whose room you like more. You like my room or you like these room?
Of course, this room. But because of the view,
yes.
Yeah. Wow, guys. So this is my room.
And your bed, you got a big bed, you know?
Yeah, and the view. The sunset. I can't wait for the sunset.
So your view is outside.
That's it.
Outside view.
Guys. So soon we'll be going to feed.
Yes, guys. So.
Let me know what you think about it. So welcome to the
Yeah. So this is the view. Good view. So we have done. So we have the beautiful. Hey, right here so we can play football. I should have bring all my football. You know, a football. So there's a room them yellow. Yes guys, so these there, I'm over there. And look at the beach. Look at the seawater. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! We can swim. We can go down that side and swim.
Yeah, well, the sunset, I can't wait.
Sunset is that side. See the man out there? He might take up his net. Or he's fixing the net. Yeah, so look, it's a long net. Cause that net come all the way down here. But if we walk, we can walk down here today.
Yeah, to the beach down there, there's sand.
The sand down here. And there's some boats, so we can
boat ride and all this stuff.
get some fish. And we can come roast it here. Look, we can roast the fish them right here. The cooking spots. We got sticks already.
We have a cooking spot.
Spots. We got a spot already right here. Wow.
This is Jamaica.
Rough. Very rough. Wow, lovely. Lovely, we can cook something down here, definitely for sure. Guys, look at this. Come on guys.
So good. Trust.
Hey, I really have to give this girl our credit. Eating that green mango. You know, welcome to Sen Damas.
Wow, the breeze,
Lovely.
something else.
Wow.
150.
Look at this ram. Yeah. They're expensive. Yeah. What is Nubian? Oh. So which one is this? Nubian?
Yeah.
Nubian. So Nubian is very expensive. The Nubian's goat?
Maybe I need to buy it and keep it in my house. You're gonna carry it in the car.
Yes, you know the trunk.
Yeah.
But it's a Nubian goats. It's
Wow,
very
it's so
expensive.
cute.
Very. And 250,000 Jamaican dollar for this one. Yeah, value that.
When you come on to Christmas time, you know, man, go here, you know.
Yeah, true. And you see these one now normally, you buy that ram goat and get a woman goat, a cheap one, and make them mate and get pure half breed. And the half breed is so expensive. That's business there, D.
Wow.
Nubian goat in Jamaica.
I can't get it for 100.
Yeah?
For 100.
I want the 24th to kill this one.
Oh, you're killing on the 24th.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna kill.
Everything.
Oh, for the workers then.
And guess everybody.
And guess. Okay, so on the 24th, which is the Christmas Eve.
Yeah, we have to do the 25th.
Oh, so you're gonna cook it for the 25th,
Yeah.
Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Nubian, well, me a vegetarian.
Rest in peace.
Oh,
Rest
poor
in the
goat.
stomach in peace.
Eat in peace. So you're the worker here, so you look after him.
Yeah.
Strong, you know. See you can't even manage him. Huh?
What do you buy me now?
Yeah,
I come in and buy the Wednesday and Thursday. We have to surf on the neck.
yeah.
I'm going to get bored, get him weed on the swamp. So I have to chase him in the swamp and grab him back foot and take him out.
Yeah. Wow, he's big, man, I lie. How much months old now?
We buy him January, little bit so.
Oh, January.
I'll grow him up. When I buy them, then time I'll buy them.
Yeah.
I'll grow them.
And them time them cheap.
Yeah, man.
And now them get expensive.
Yeah, man. You can buy a little bit like that.
Yeah. Oh, like 15 when he's young like that. And when he get old, they are talking about 250,000 in the Jamaica time, you know.
I'm gonna keep it down. I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah, true. And sell them curry goat.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, in general. You got day here still, so you know we talk, yeah?
Yeah, man. We're on the tongue.
Alright then. Rami, them are prepare for you. Run away, yeah? Rami, run away. If you don't run away, they're gonna kill you on the 24th. Run away, Rami, run away. I'm telling the goat to run away. If him do a run away, they're gonna eat him. Oh, I just cannot get enough of this view.
Wow.
I'm just sitting here enjoying the view. The breeze.
Heaven.
The breeze
We're
is
loving it.
heaven.
Good.
So say hi to my neighbor D. Well, the sunset, if you miss the sunset here, you can catch it on D Mwango's channel. You see the sunset, so lovely. Just
Yo. Really trying hard. Yay! That is it. Thank you so much, new general. Woo, it's getting more. Yes, today is today. Woo, there we go.
Smash it. Smash it.
Alright.
All right.
Well, good morning. Team. What a wonderful morning this is. Oh, wonderful. Wow, so wonderful. I guess the guys down there is catching fish. You know, so I'm gonna walk the beach with you. So I'm gonna bring you on the beach. So guys, if you're watching, please put the thumbs up. You know, and thank you lot so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, it's been a wonderful journey with me and D Mwango, and I thank her so much for this collaboration, you know, and all the new subscribers them. But thank you so much, you know, it means a lot for me to can see the growth, you know, and I thank you so much. You know, and to big up to all my dream team members, them big up on yourself, you know, your thing go, you know, we have to be on the road to make things work, you know. And for all my new donors, them, which is we call them extended family, you are now our extended family, you know, because we get so much new donors from the Mwango's channel, you know, it's a blessing. Our Father God is helping the program to grow, you know, for the future, you know, because when you do stuff in life, you don't do it for now, you know, for the future. So I guess we are all growing in the same direction for the future, for the better, not for the worse. You know, because what we're doing, we're helping out each other, you know, help each other to grow, helping out less fortunate, the people them in need. You know, we thank you so much for doing so. And for everyone that's been putting the thumbs up while they're watching, big thumbs up to you and enough love, big up yourself, you know, for you to always liking that video. We thank you so much. And the subscribers them who subscribe, you know, we thank you so much for subscribing. You know, it is nothing but love, you know, nothing but love from you liking the program and subscribing. So guys, just stay tuned. We're here in St. Thomas, you know, and trust me, the view and the place is lovely, 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 lovely. So I'm going to take you on a journey. Yes, so beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Just look how the place is so beautiful here in the morning when you get up and you're strolling. You're strolling. Welcome, welcome, welcome everyone to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, welcome. It's nothing but love and love alone. Now remember, we're keeping it positive over here, you know, because this place, I'm telling you the truth, it's so nice, you know, it's so nice. I'm telling you the nature vibe, that's the nature, there's just this, the view, the anxiety of here, you know. It is so nice here. Just look at it. You wake up, you can come by the beach front, you know, you can come by the front, you can relax, you know, you can swim, even though I haven't swim as yet, you know, but you can come and do so. How lovely is this? There's my room there, and we got D all the way over there, you know. So she's over there making her breakfast, you know, and this is so lovely, you know, guys, because just look at this, walking here on the banking, you know, there's someone down here fishing. So we're going to check out the fisherman to see what he catch so far, you know. So we got the jelly tree where D drink so many jelly yesterday. I think she have about 3. So these trees, 2 trees, they're loaded. So you know they're loaded. Hey, by the time we leave here, there's nothing left. There's nothing left. And you know, it's like each place you go, you always see birds. You have a windmill there, but I think that windmill is not working. It's crashed. And look, the same Barbados birds. Beautiful pets, you know. So much of them. So much of them. Really like it. The environment is so nice, so calm, it's so lovely, you know. And trust me, you cannot go wrong by booking right here. You cannot go wrong. Coming here, spending a time, you cannot go wrong. You know, you cannot. As you see, the information, Mr. Browns, you know, he's a really a lovely man, you know. He's very humble, he's calm, always smiling, you know. That's what I like with him as well. He's so humble, you know. And trust me, when you come here, you cannot deny it. It's really lovely, you know. You come here, you can chill out under the tree right here, you know. While chilling out under the tree, you have the beach right there. So this is the beach spot. As you can see, it's all sun. All sun. You can see the water. It's clear and pretty. You know, it's really clear. Lovely. So I cannot wait to come swim. You know, early morning swim. This place, trust me, it's not the luxury. Imagine, this is not the luxury place, and it seems like this is the best place so far, and it's not luxury, you know. It's not luxury, but it's just the vibes, the nature vibes of it, the ambience of it. You know, it's just more than 10 out of 10. You know, it's more than 10 out of 10. More. You catch any fish? More than 10 out of 10. So as you can see, oh, I guess this is a lake rundown. Let's set fire. Catch anything? Huh? Take off my slippers. So we have a fisherman here catching some fish. How are you doing? Morning. I'm Kino. You catch any? Let me see where you catch. Big ones or small?
Small one, which one?
Small one. Same place right here, sir? Oh, more. It deep, the more you go, it deep, right? But right off here, it's shallow. Oh, this is a cage. So I have snapper. So you fry that one, you know. Fry that one there. Right at the front here, so you catch it. So what you use for bait?
Shrimp.
Oh, you use shrimp for bait? Oh, them one you use for the bait. So you live around here? Rice. I don't even know what I can.
Yeah,
alright, down here, sir. Wow. So you grew up on the beach, always fishing? Okay. Well, but now it's really nice around here, but now I really like it. Really like it. Kingston. Town man, you know? Yeah. So you know, when town man come in country, you know, it's all different. It's not the same, so everything seems to be amazing. You know, fishing, you know, well, you know, we do this stuff in Kingston, but not as much. You know, because we live right here on the beach side, so you always do it. Got shrimp. And the stone and the float. You know, I'm fling it further than that. You never go so far. No.
Other people too far, but me not too.
Eh?
Other people too far, but me not too.
Yeah, I'm too far. So you can keep the shrimp, the bait in their ears. Behind their ears. Hey. So how much you normally would catch in a day?
Normally catch when the sea rough, but the sea kind of calm, you know, and the water clean.
Yeah.
Most like the fish them a see up stuff.
Oh, them a see up.
Clean.
Yeah.
The water dirty.
That's when you catch them. And when it's rough as well. So why when it's rough?
You know, one out of some. They are smaller, you would.
That's what
rough,
and if your father a fisherman too? Okay. Catch something?
Crab.
A crab. Hey, man, catch a crab. Crab? Look at this. Crab is mashing it up, boy. Yes, crab. Yeah. Sea crab. Yeah, take him?
Take him, go do you.
Yeah, eat out the man food, crabby.
Yes, always mash up and the water.
Yeah, look. In there. Good. No, not too good. Yeah, I think yeah. Yeah, see it by me. If you don't eat out a bit. See it by the bell. Him need to thank me. Him eat off one. So I saw the crab they eat fast.
The crab they nip on his hand.
Oh. And the way the crab just hang on and just a bite I goes. Lucky crab I just saved something that Something I picked up. Pure small fish. See if I go down more on the beach. Come down here, sir. Crab again. Don't eat it. A fish eat it?
Small fish.
Small fish.
Pick it off fast.
Oh, look how quick them pick that up. So that means you lose a lot of bait, man, most times though. I think you have to change that spot here. That spot here. Yeah. Yeah, look, it's right down here, so look how it look dark. In a rock. See if we can catch one big one. Guys, they say this is lovely. When you come here, you can literally just come out and you can bring your fishing hook, get some bait, and come chill by the beach, you know, and catch some fish. And then now you have the bush them here, you can go and roast them. Roast and fry. Kino life in Jamaica. Yeah. Kino life in Jamaica. I'm doing this. Oh, is there a restaurant that up there, sir? Huh? Oh, you see the jerk pan out on the swing. Or is it Airbnb? You can go down more. So down here so we're dark. Guys, I'm catching fish. I'm gonna leave my swim shoes at the room. Right down here, so look dark, the water. Come on, let's catch something. We need to catch something well big. Well big. Them have a jerk pan here, so, and them have a swing song. There's someone live there. Oh. This is the center mass vibes here in St. Chilling by the sea, catching some fish. There you go. I never get your name. What's your name, General? Willis. So we are Willis. So Willis, you're a diver as well too? No? Can't dive. Come on, let's get something for Willis. I want something for Willis. Go and catch something for Willis. Guys, so far I come all the way down there I'm walking from, you know, stepping in the vibe. It is nice, very nice. Wow. Well, the also seems rough though. Oh, when it's rough, you can't stay here. Get lick off. Okay, imagine. But last night, it was rough last night. You know, fish at night?
Fish at night, night better.
Night better. Because last night, out here. But at least you catch something. You catch one. Oh, Alright then, Willis, pick up yourself, you know. Hope for the best, you know. Hopefully you catch something well big today. You know. But yeah man guys, but with your faith you will catch something. Yeah man guys, so that was Willis. You know, he's a local. So you always come down here so this side? So we'll see you then. Right there. Alright, so that is Willis. You know, there's someone yard right there. You know, hope for the best. Hey, them stone are sharp, you know man. This stone is really sharp. Hey, imagine when you used to walk bare feet and you're walking bare feet. You know that feel, right? I hope the sea don't come and take away my slippers. Okay, look how close it reach. I almost reach up here. Almost. Chilling under the tree, cooking a pot right here. Imagine cooking a pot right here, chilling right here, cooking a pot. You know, when you're ready to go swim, the cutting up table right here. This is so cool, so relaxing, so cozy here by the beach. So relaxing and so, trust me, the ambience. We have a wow, that was lovely. Lovely. This place is so lovely. This place is so lovely, it's too lovely. And if you come here in mango time, if you come here when it's mango season, just imagine when you're here and it's mango season. Hey, you got mango for days. But there is mango on the tree, same way as you can see. There is mangoes. You know, yesterday I saw a ripe one, but I guess it wasn't that ripe. It wasn't fit to eat because the birds then eat it all up. And but there's mango here on the tree. You got jelly over here. You got a ripe one right there. You got a ripe mango right there as well too. Wow. And this is the coconut spot. We don't see that gentleman from yesterday, you know. Listen, are you loving it? Are you liking this place?
Not so far. I always stay here when I come down to St. Thomas. I stay over here.
Okay, see.
Because my, you know, my little girlfriend, she's from up in Marquette here.
Oh, so you come.
I just come and stay over here.
Lovely as well.
Yeah, I live in New Jersey.
New Jersey. I was there in April.
Yeah?
Yeah.
April?
Yeah, I was down by Deptford.
Oh, South Jersey.
Yeah.
So I'm up now.
Up now.
Newark.
Okay. Yeah, I was up there in them times, April.
Yeah, I'm closer to Newark.
To Newark. But this place, I'm not lying, it's really lovely.
Yeah, it's quiet. I don't have nobody bugging me.
Nothing.
I mean, it's like I can just free. I'm free, you know?
Yeah, you wake up.
It's my third time staying here.
Third time?
Third time, yeah.
Exactly. So if anyone watching,
yes,
you can just tell them, say, this is the place, right?
Well, this is it, Mr. Brown. It's in license, St. Thomas. Yeah, this is the place. I've been here, this is my third trip here.
Third trip here.
I'm spending 15 days here.
What?
So you know I'm talking about. It has to be comfortable.
Have to be.
So,
have to be.
if you're looking for somewhere to stay in St. Thomas, this is the place.
This is the place. License.
It's quiet, it's clean, it's name it. It's all good.
You name it.
Yeah.
So you see guys, it's not only me saying it. You got someone who just came down spending 15 days here. You know, all the way from New Jersey. And this is his third time. So there's no joke because there's a different vibes about it, you know, the nature vibes, the beach,
and
you know.
You have nearby places here.
Go.
Fish Cove is just down the street.
Fish Cove?
Yes, just down the street there.
All the fish?
With the best red snapper fish you can ever have.
What's the name? Fish Cove?
Fish Cove. It's about 5-10 10 minutes down the street.
On the
here.
same stretch?
Same strip,
Okay,
yes.
Fish Cove.
And there's another breakfast place about 5 minutes away from here. I mean, you get it all.
Yeah, so I need to go check it
Yeah,
out.
you get it all. You get the real Jamaican breakfast, you know.
Okay, okay.
And the main thing, it's cheap.
It's cheap. it's not like the North Coast side.
No, this is cheap. It's affordable.
Yeah.
You know, so
Yeah, so it's called License. This place is called License.
License
St. Thomas.
town, yes.
Okay, so Fish Cove.
Fish Cove down the street, about 10 minutes down.
10 minutes.
Stay on that side. You can't miss
Okay,
it.
I'm gonna check that
Yeah,
out.
man,
You know,
it's good. I was there last night. I mean,
Yeah.
I had a 3-pound red snapper fish.
big fish.
Oh man, it was this big.
For like how much you pay for that?
Well, it was 4 of us eating,
Yeah.
and it cost us less than $100.
Okay.
US,
Okay. Yeah.
You know, and it's
yeah.
for 4.
For four.
4, yeah.
That's how big it is.
And we had drinks too.
okay. Okay.
And
yeah.
sides, the
And
side
sides.
dishes.
Yeah, that is cheap.
Yes,
That
real
is
cheap. So.
But definitely need to go and
You know,
check it out
I had a good time there last night, and I'll be going back there for dinner today.
today. All right. We'll definitely be going there.
Right.
You know? Fish Cove.
Yes.
So
down to 10 minutes down.
10 minutes down.
Okay, on
You staying on
same
this block or this block?
No man, this go on the main here.
Yeah. You go right.
Down. Yes,
And go
and
down.
stay. It's on the left hand side going
Left hand
down.
side, Fish Cove.
Yeah.
So that's where we're definitely
Fish
going.
Cove is really
We're gonna
good.
check it out in the day as well too,
Yeah,
to see
yeah.
what it's like. All the fresh fish and everything, you know, because we always try to highlight the viewers them from overseas,
Overseas, so they
you know,
can see.
so they can see what Jamaica is.
But you're getting some customer.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
what's
That's
the
the
plans,
move.
you
Yes,
know,
get him some
get him
customer
some
here.
customers. So we've done that,
You know.
say the video has been out, so
Yeah,
you're gonna
right.
see
Can
and
see,
everything,
right.
of course, because he deserves it.
Especially if in New Jersey. I'm well known in New Jersey because
Yeah.
I played basketball there. You know.
Oh, you play basketball?
Right. I used to play for Jamaica, but I got a full basketball scholarship to Ohio State.
Oh, so I'm dealing with a professional basketball.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, see,
I
so
come back every year.
yeah.
Because I'm doing a basketball camp on the 17th at my high school in Kingston. I went to high school in Kingston, St. Andrew Technical.
Oh, stats?
Yeah,
Hey.
I graduated from stats. So I'm doing a basketball seminars there
Over there.
for all the kids in the surrounding area.
So that means a friend of mine, I'm right next door to it. I
Right.
do a charity program in Trenchtown.
Right.
Yeah,
Because
and
I grew up there.
exactly. And then we have Esther Campbell. She work in stats.
Yeah.
Yeah, she work in stats right at this
Sound
moment.
familiar to me.
Yeah, Esther Campbell. She works over there, and
Yeah.
she's the one that travel with the football team.
Oh
or
yeah.
the netball team.
Because they have a game today as we speak.
Yeah.
They're playing for the some cup
Water
final,
Cup.
Walker Cup
Yeah,
finals.
yeah.
Yes.
So she's the one that travel with the team.
The team.
She's
the
oh
team
yeah,
manager.
yeah. So you see, small
Small
world,
world, you never
very
know.
small world, and you will see her, man. Trust me.
And I was down there on Tuesday because I took some stuff down
Mm-hmm.
for the basketball
Yeah.
coach, you know.
But we was there in
program.
Trenchtown, so while you were starts, I was there in Trenchtown.
Yeah, you see?
Because that's
Wow.
what we do, charity. I do
I grew up
charity.
in Trenchtown.
What?
Yeah. Pally Smith Drive.
I grew up on 3rd Street.
Oh, right,
Third
now you
Street.
know. So.
Look at that. No, you see, that's why them say you have to live good in life.
You never
eh?
know, it's a
Look
small
at that,
world.
very small world. Cali Smith Drive and 3rd Street. You know, you turn off Cali Smith Drive and you're on 3rd Street.
Street, yeah.
Bob Marley 1st Street, 2nd Street, and I'm 3rd
Third
Street.
Street.
Look at that. And hey, so the world is small, that's why you have to
Right,
live
you know.
good, you know. And it's the energy,
Yeah,
you know.
that's how it is.
That's the energy vibes, man. Obviously, we just live down there,
Mm-hmm.
you know, because that's where I do my charity. Help out the less
Yeah,
fortunate.
and the same thing, I sponsor the basketball team there.
Okay,
So,
okay.
you know, whatever they need, equipment,
Yeah, yeah.
sneakers, uniform, and stuff.
Mhm.
So, and I give back to my alma mater. So, I doing the seminar for the,
Mhm.
down there for the kids, them, you know.
That's good.
Next.
'Cause I know the Marlies them is building up a basketball
Yeah,
court up by
definitely.
5th Street.
Right.
You
I
know,
know.
they're renovating it and everything.
I just did brand new basketball court at Stats, one of the best in the island.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, Esther Campbell is going to be watching this.
Yeah,
and
she's
she's
gonna
like,
see,
oh,
I know him."
I know him. I know him. Look at that. Look how far we
Yeah,
come and meet him,
right
man.
up, right.
Yeah, man, we're going to keep the link, man.
Yes,
Definitely, man.
definitely.
You know,
All
so we
right,
can do some
all right,
work,
boss.
see him here in
Good. Yeah, man.
Trenchtown for the youth
Just
them.
mention Minto, that's the name.
Minto.
Minto, a lot of people know the name.
Minto. So the man is a top professional
Basketball,
basketball. He was playing for Jamaica and he went
Play
overseas.
professional overseas, play college ball, play professional in Portugal.
Wow, look at that, D. Tell you you have to live good in
Alright,
life.
oh, yeah, man,
You
definitely.
never know.
You never know.
You know,
All right,
big up yourself,
again,
man.
so,
Yeah,
all
man.
right.
Yes, yeah, so why you have to live good here? You have to live good with people. Who that person will be, that's why you must always live good with people. Because you never know who that person could be. You see, that's how life is. Walk with love, spread love, share love. It's only love, because love conquers all. That is it, love conquers all. You know, and see, it's third time here and it's lovely right here. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.